I'll explain in a minute. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SBmitch. You can give me a follow on social media and subscribe to the channel, but not for videos like this because, oh, hello pals. I don't have a box today. I just don't have a box to open, so that's why there's no beater box today. The one I ordered is on its way, and then this Sunday, Soul Supremacy does not have boxes available, so no box today and no box 2 weeks from now. Unless I find somewhere else to get a box from. And no, that's not an invitation for you to DM or email me and say, bro, I have a box, buy a box from me. Because it's not gonna happen. Don't waste your time. I'm wearing glasses for a couple months, so deal with it. I've been cast as Milhouse in a live action Simpsons movie. No, I haven't, I have eye problems, so I'm wearing glasses. So in lieu of a box, because I don't have one today, here's a couple of clips of Pancake sleeping and making funny noises. Because that's the good content you come to this channel for. Okay, I have a couple reviews to do. Laser Blue Dunk Low SBs, Reverse Goldenrod Dunk High SBs, and a box recap. And then there will be a box next Friday, just not today. I just don't have one. So see you next time. Take care of each other. Keep sneakers fun. Bye.